In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to customer satisfaction. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.